Now, the children came into this world, first establish a connection with mother, then gradually father, then gradually siblings, right? So this is called family, okay? Family is an environment for, every human being to establish bond in the human world, and then fundamentally, all the, good, wonderful things in life started from the family relationship learning. The moral principles about, in the family, respect the parents, right? Be filial to your parents. And, about siblings relationship. About between parents, the moral about husband and wife relationship, right?
Mm-hmm.
This whole fundamental morality about the human beings, they always start from the family, because that is the unit, that's the cell of the human society. Every family is like every cell of our human body. And the forces and the characters of each family and the relationships and mechanisms and the balancing arts are fully manifested also in every of our cell. As a matter of fact, if we look at the molecular, biology, cell biology, it is really a world, involved. And when you enlarge the family to community, eventually to a nation, then eventually to the whole world, that principle gradually, pretty much is like a same principle but become more powerful and larger. So Confucius taught 修身齐家治国平天下. Cultivate your mind, harmonize your family, govern the nation, bring peace and prosperity to the world. This is very scientific. Confucius basically, received the creator's instruction to come into the human world and become the moral teacher and deliver the science of the human world operational mode. That's what human morality is all about. Human morality is the science of the human world balance. And so, 信, where is the word faith come from? Faith is multi-leveled. It has the fundamental, rudimental practice of the wonderful, genuine relationship of an individual with a mother, with a father, with a sibling, within the family. Then, when they step out of the family, they start to develop friendship relationship, brotherhood, sisterhood with other human beings from other family, right? Then, along the journey, they also will receive teachers that give them knowledge and the principles about life, and they follow their teachers and the relationship with their teachers. Then when they start to serve the nation, they also have top leaders and they follow the national leaders. And that is also operational mode, right? Faith is the foundation of all these relationships. It's not about we believe in God. Where is God? Where is God? For the regular human beings. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Regular human beings don't know where is God. So how are they going to follow God every day? Do you know what I mean? Yeah. So faith is not just the empty talk of following invisible gods. Faith is a material that reflects one word. Okay? That is something that a lot of people don't understand. Can I have another episode? Just pause very quickly.